At number 6 is the lovely long sleeve denim shirt. Another amazing versatile piece. Let me give you some examples. Let's say you're what we like to call a fabulous full-time mom and you're doing the school run. You can just, so let me just stop there and say this, that we absolutely advocate that you burn the tacky tracky. If you have one, and we've all done it, the tacky tracky has got to go. So do the shoes that are comfortable but look like they've been around for 27 years. So as a fabulous full-time mom or a part-time mom or a working mom, this is the most presidential position in the world. This is a blessing straight from heaven, and so we have to dress the part. We're often trained in this world to dress up for corporate, dress up for the office, dress up for strangers who are our clients for a day. But when it comes to being promoted to full-time mom, which is what I like to call it, which is what happened to me at a certain stage of my life, after about 26 years in corporate, I was promoted to full-time mom, and it was the biggest blessing. And then I had to start getting creative with my wardrobe, and the long sleeve denim shirt actually came in really handy. For example, you can put on a pair of black skinny pants or your skinny jeans, put on the white cami or the white t-shirt we've spoken about earlier in the capsule wardrobe, and your long sleeve denim shirt rolled up a little bit over it, a little bit of hot pink lipstick, and you're good to go. You could even tie, you can unbutton it and tie your denim shirt up if you like to show off your little waist. And when it comes to waist, and when it comes to size, and when it comes to body and shape and who you are, tall, short, wide, narrow, we're going to be talking about that. And we talk a lot about how beauty is an inside job, and I love my body is a real key staple statement that we advocate here at Linda Page. So the denim shirt, again, very good quality of a brand that you may like, whether it's Levi or whether it's something local to you, must be quality, and it's something that you can wear over your navy cami, your navy t-shirt, or your white cami, your white t-shirt, or even by itself with some black skinnies, some of your jeans. You might even have some white skinnies. Denim and white is really lovely together. So fresh, crisp look for your day to the shops or to school or just to be social.